how to display an image in Excel spreadsheet whenever you hover over a cell with the mouse. We can do it with all the different cells in Excel and actually use different images too. Here I'm using an inventory report, a stock report that has a lot of different columns such as update, cost, brand, product name, quantity, and shelf location. Here in the column D where I have the product name, I want to, instead of only use the product name itself, I actually want to display an image whenever I hover with the mouse over a cell, as you guys can see right now here in the screen. That way I can make my spreadsheet a little bit more interactive and dynamic. I think it's a much better way to display the data. To do it, we can simply right click in the cell, in any cell that you want to use, right click in the cell, and then you can go to new note, okay, and then it's gonna appear here a new note for you, and maybe it's gonna appear your name too. You can read it off the name, and if there is something else, type it in the cell. You can in the note, you can select everything and delete it. Now, important step here, and we need to be mindful because I need to right click over this note, but I need to right click specific right in the corner, in the edge, in this green edge here in the note. Okay, so in the corner, click in the corner, right click, and then we can go to format comment, and with this new windows that's gonna appear for you, you can click here colors and lines. And as you guys can see here in color, we have this yellowish color. And we're gonna change this yellowish color to an image itself. I can click here in this down arrow, and then I can go to fill effects. I can click here, and then I go to picture. I'm gonna click select picture. And we're gonna have here three different options, such as from a file or Bing image search or on Drive personal. I'm gonna stick with the first option because I already have some images here in the computer. But if you ain't got any image in your computer, you can choose the second option, Bing image search. So that way we can use the internet to search some images. But I'm gonna stick with the first option, from a file. I'm gonna click here. Now I can choose here a file, an image from my computer. I'm gonna choose the whey protein, this one right here, and then I'm gonna click insert. Okay, the image is already here and it's displaying here for us. And there's one option here before we click OK, that is log picture aspect ratio. I can click here because the way the image is not gonna be stretched out to the sides. The image is gonna stay in the same proportions, so the proportions are not gonna change. Okay, so I'm gonna click now here OK. Okay again, and here we got the image. Maybe I can just increase here a little bit this box down, and that's it. So this is how we can input an image in a cell in Excel whenever we hover with the cursor over any cell, any different cell, we can do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or any suggestions to the next videos, let me know, comment down below, and I see you tomorrow. As every day has a new video, I see you there.